Hi, in this video I will show you how to play UFC 5 on Android and iPhone. So as of right now, the UFC 5 is only available in the console. So if you still want to play it using your phone, you can head over to your Play Store and search in here for EA Sports UFC. So if you can find it right here, next thing you can do is you can head over to your browser and search for EA Sports UFC APK. This should be able to show you the up to down as well as APK viewer. So head over and choose which one of those. Then scroll down from there and click on download APK. Now from in there, just scroll down again and then click onto this download XAPK, or you can also choose the safe and fast download option. So it's actually quite big, so take note of that. And once it's done downloading, you can head over and then extract the XAPK file, then install it into your phone, and boom, you can now play EA Sports UFC. So that's how you play UFC 5 on Android and iPhone. Hope we helped.